Hey guys, me Cameron, and my dad is trying to start my neighbor's Ford with a Ford. Yeah, Foxtrot Dave, if you watch this.
Yeah. Hey,
If you're watching this, yeah, it won't start. So, yeah.